Property Details page. It's important to note you must have the property selected and double-clicked where its information is populated on the screen before clicking the Property Details button. Once you've clicked the button, the Property Details screen will appear where we've already gone over the Details tab and start on the Storage tab. And this is where a storage clerk can enter data received from or given to officers. In our example of the bicycle, the location of the property stored, how the property was handled, the reason for it to be in storage, the date and time of storage, and from what officer. Followed by any comments you may have. For our example, it's going to be placed into storage until trial by Officer Doyle. And once you have everything entered, click the Store button, where you'll now see the property in the storage table. Once the property has been saved into storage, the Store button changes to Remove. To release the property to the officer, say for court, fill out the same fields as when you entered the property into storage. Then click the Remove, and you'll notice a new record is entered into the storage table with the action as removed. Note that if property is not returned, the storage officer knows to whom the property was released to. And you can repeat this process to store the evidence back into storage, say after the trial is over and needs to be held for the owner. And note, a storage clerk with Delete Storage Property Permissions can delete the last entry once the Delete Last Entry button is clicked. But be careful not to click the Delete button. This will delete the property from the Property module. On the Links tab, to display any links, click the Get Links button for both complaints and citations. And any complaints or citation numbers will appear in the tables. If no complaints or citation numbers appear, that property is not linked to any incidents or citations. Click the Get Links for the complaint this property can link to. And now this property is linked to that complaint. On the Vehicle tab, this screen will be grayed out if the property type is property or drug, but if it's a vehicle, you are allowed to input data. Please be careful not to enter a vehicle if the property is not a vehicle.